Hey, Jimmy. Hope you're leaving some of those bendies for your constituents.
Here you go, piping hot. Excuse me, Stella. No. Okay, just one.
But, Miss Charlotte, you said later 2 hours ago.
Travis, when a woman says later, she really means not ever. Now run along. There are plenty of young fillies dying for you to waltz them into a stupor. Give me them napkins, quick! What on earth for? I swear I'm sweating like a sinner in church.
Oh dear, it's getting to be so late.
I see a few stragglers.
This is no fair. My prince is never coming.
I'll never get anything I wish for. Just calm down. Take a deep breath. Maybe I just gotta wish harder, huh? Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Royal Highness Prince Naveen.